Hello sweetcorns, welcome back to my channel. I am back with a new tab customization video again using all of the new crazy features that we get from One UI 7.0 update. If you haven't watched that video already, please check it out. I put lots of effort to make that video, so please check it out, loves. Anyways, let's continue with this one. If you are a long time viewer of my channel, you know my love for One Punch Man. Since the season 3 anime of One Punch Man is coming this October, hopefully, so I decided to make this customization One Punch Man theme. Most of the images that I am going to use in this video are taken from One Punch Man's official Twitter or X account. You can use your favorite anime image here, or you can download some aesthetic images from Pinterest if you like, or you can make it yourself. Pretty much in every previous tab customization video, I showed you guys how you can create your own wallpapers easily. You can check those videos out. Go to my channel, then click on the playlist, and here click on this tab customization, and you will see all of my previous tab customization video. You can check this out if you haven't after watching this video. Pinch or long press on the home screen, then click on this wallpaper and style option down here, and first I'm going to customize the lock screen. So tap on it and go to gallery. From here select the image that you want as your wallpaper. I'm using the image of Saitama, my favorite hero. From here you know the drill, I already showed you this process many times. I'm going to adjust the image and going to add some elements to the lock screen like the clock and widgets, etc. So now we have few new clock styles. As you can see, now you can change the thickness of the clock, the text, but it only works if you select the first font like this one. And now I'm going to adjust the clock, and now you can add or hide the weather information. After I am happy with the clock position, I'm going to add widgets. First I'm going to add this new gallery widget. Yes, now you can add gallery widget on your lock screen, and tap on it, then click on this icon and select the image that you want as your gallery widget. I'm using obviously Genos here, and I'm going to add that here like this. So cute, they are together. And now I'm going to add one maybe moon face. Again maybe I'm going to add one calendar widget. And so Durga Puja is coming, so yes, our biggest festival. So yeah, I'm adding that countdown here. After adding the widgets, now that it's overlapping the image, I'm going to adjust the clock again, and now I'm happy with this, and then click on done. Same way I'm going to change the home screen wallpaper, and I am leaving it a simple mustard yellow type wallpaper. I created this using IB's Pinterest. Now here you can add the color palette if you want, but I'm not going to add color palette for this customization. But if you add color palette, make sure to toggle on the apply palette to app icon option, and you can apply it from here with your favorite colors. But now let's go back to the home screen. Lock the screen, then unlock it, and if you long press on the lock screen, from here you can edit and customize the lock screen. You can change the wallpaper, etc., as you know. But if you tap on the clock here, from here also you can customize it, and the thickness that I was talking about, you can change the thickness of the font. And remember, we used to have this option to add two of our most used apps on the lock screen, but now not only apps, you can add actions. Like I added this dark mode, so whenever I swipe on it, it will turn on the dark mode on my tab. Now let's go back to the home screen, and here I already added the apps that I use the most down here. And now long press or pinch on the home screen, then click on widgets. So we are going to customize the home screen with our favorite widgets. Now first, although we have new clock styles available from Samsung, but I am using this Google clock because it's look most aesthetic for my in my eyes. Next, I'm going to add the newest widgets that we got from One UI 7.0 update, that is calendar. So long press on the home screen, go to widgets, click on this calendar, select the bigger widget here, this one, and tap on it, then add to your screen. Then if you tap on this widgets, it will take you to your calendar, and you can select one of your date. Here is the fun part, you can add a custom image. So I edited this image, I just crop it. So yeah, now if you add that image, now you will have a new like calendar reminder widget with
your custom image. This is one of my favorite feature after the update. This is really cute. You can make it small like this, or you can make it bigger, but this is really so cute. You can add as many of countdown widgets as you want, so this is gonna look so super cute.
Next, I'm going to add few more widgets like the gallery, etc, etc. So you can add widgets that you like or that are useful to you. So yeah, so now let me show you how you can create these app folder. These are super cute. Go to apps, then select the apps that you want to make a folder of. Just long press on them, then click on this select, and here click on this create folder on the top right corner. And now here you can add in folder name, or you can change the folder color also. Then move it to the home screen from here. This option we used to have before, but now if you long press on the folder, you have this new enlarge option. So if you tap on it, it will show you this square box. So if you tap one of these apps, it will directly open the app without opening the app folder. So this is really cute, and I hope this makes sense. So yeah, now I'm going to add them to my lock screen, to my home screen. So just I'm going to adjust them and customize them however I like this. And yeah, you can change the color to your to match the screen color or the theme that you are going for. So yeah, now I am adding this digital well-being widget, and if you long press on any of these widgets, then click on this create stack option here, you will be able to stack multiple widgets together. Like I am adding this device care widget with the digital well-being. Same way, I'm going to add few more widgets here and there. Next, I am going to customize the second page. Long press on the screen, then go to widgets, and here first I am adding the calendar countdown widget. So for this one, I edited one of my drawing and removed the background and add some text in IV's index. Then I am going to add that image here. This looks freaking awesome. This is really cute. Next, I am going to add a gallery widget here to show the character images that they released for the One Punch Man season 3 anime. These are the characters, hero and villains. They are all so pretty except for President Ugly, or maybe Gyoro also ugly. Next, I am adding another gallery widget with some of my drawings. You can customize the gallery widget layout like this however you want. I am using this square layout here. Next, I am adding modes and routines widget and one Spotify widget also. I am just playing with the widgets here, just see what fits my screen, and I am just going with the flow here, as you can see. So you can create stack widget stack as many of you want. So yeah, just going with the flow. After playing with the widgets for a while, I am happy with this layout. This is perfect. You can try various different layouts with all of the widgets. Just play with it and see what works for you. Also, you can resize the stack widgets like this. Now let's take a look at what we have done so far. This is how it looks so far, our lock screen and two home screens. Now let me show you with the color palette. So pinch on the home screen, then click on wallpaper and style. Here click on color palette and tap on apply. So this is the screens. This is how it looks after applying the color palette. And here if you tap on any of these apps icon, it will directly open that app without opening the app folder. If you don't know, this round widget is YouTube Music. Tap on it. Oh sorry, I don't have premium, I am broke. Anyways, so I am going to play One Punch Man's theme song here. Visually this widget is really cool. It shows the album cover in this round shape, but if you don't have the premium plan, you won't be able to play any music in background. So This is just for the looks. I listen to music on Spotify. Let's see it for the final time. This is the lock screen, and if I swipe up on this app icon here, it will open that app directly from the lock screen. And if I swipe up on the dark mode action that I added, it will turn on the dark mode, and again if I swipe up on it, it will turn off the dark mode from the lock screen. Oh, one more thing I almost forget to show you, that is quick settings panel and notifications. As you all know, after the new update, now you can see them separately, and also you can edit the quick settings panel. Just tap on this pen icon here, and you will be able to customize how you want to see the panel, and you can see the notification and quick panels separately. You have to click on this panel settings and edit if you want to see them together or separately. Second thing is, now if you play any media, it's going to show you the live notification on your lock screen after the new update. And if I tap on it, I am playing a Spotify music now, so it's showing me the album cover and option to change the song and etc. without unlocking my device. Also, it's going to show you the live notification on your home screen on the top left corner here, and if you tap on it, you also have the option to change song, pause the song, and if you swipe on it, it will close the song. And so yeah, now if you pinch on the home screen and click on this settings, now here you have this new option to hide the app and widget labels and to customize the size of your app and widgets. So let me show you, this is how it looks with the maximum size and without the app labels, and this is how it looks with the app labels and with the medium size. From here I'm going to show you the screen, how it looks, and the one screen recording and some screenshots of my wallpaper and lock screen. So if you change these widgets, if you change the position of these widgets a little bit, you can create totally different types of layout for your tab. It doesn't have to be like mine. Like with all of these widgets available now, you can create 100 types of layout, and it's sometimes really overwhelming. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and yeah, I hope this year we be able to see the One Punch Man season 3, because I just can't. I am waiting for it from, I think, 2022, and it's still coming. Just I don't know anymore. And yeah, and I'm really sorry for the late. Please forgive me for my laziness. I'm really sorry, and I don't know what I'm going to do for the next video, but that probably be craft related. I'm not sure. So yeah, stay healthy, stay safe, drink enough water. I'm going to see you in my next video, and that probably be gonna be again another 3 months later. And thank you so much for watching, sweetcorns. Love you. Bye bye guys. Thank you so much for watching.